In this video, I am going to show you how to install HP Deskjet 3650 printer on your computer. This is a very old printer, so you will have to use its basic driver to install this printer on any computer. Let's see which basic driver you will require. This is the driver that will require for installation. You can download the driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, right click on that and click on extract to. Basically, you need to unzip that file. This type of folder you will get after extracting. Double click on that and you will get 3 files and 1 folder there. This is the file that you need to require when installing it manually. So as of now, close this window, close this folder. We will use it later while installing it manually. So going to install it manually, click on Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Devices, then click on Printer and Scanners. After that, go to the right side menu and click on Add a printer or scanner. Click on the link. The printer that I want is not listed here. Click on that. After that, choose the last option, add a local printer or network printer with the manual settings. Click on that and click on Next. Here you need to choose the port. I recommend you to choose the port USB 001. Basically, you need to choose the port where your printer is connected right now. After that, click on Next and then click on Have Disk. Click on Browse button and go to the location where we have extracted the drivers file. We have extracted the drivers file on our desktop. So I'm going to desktop and go to that folder and select that file. Click on Open and click on OK. After that, scroll down and choose the driver file HP Deskjet 3600. 3600 is the main series folder driver, so it will work with 3650 model number as well. So don't get confused, click on Next and here you can change the name from main series to the derivative printer 3650 and then click on Next. It is installing the printer, so please wait. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on Next. After that, click on Finish. The printer has been installed. As you can see on your screen, the printer has been installed with the manual settings and with the basic drivers. So, that's it for now. Hope you like that video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.